3. First aid for accidents. The immediate temporary treatment given to an accident victim before a doctor arrives or before they are taken to a hospital is called first aid. There are some general rules for first aid. These include 1. First, seek help from an adult or emergency services. 2. To keep oneself accidents free, ensure one's own safety before helping an injured person. 3. Keep the accident victim still without moving them. 4. Reassure the injured person by saying you will get better to keep them calm. After following these general rules, first aid must be provided according to the type of accident. Bye bye, sir. Allah Hafiz.